Morning children. Now we will do question number 3. Question number 3 tells ABC is a rectangle. ABC is a rectangle and PQRs are the midpoints. P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of side A, B, C, D. So that quadrilateral PQR is a rectangle. So that quadrilateral PQR is a rhombus. PQR is a rhombus, we have to prove. That's the questions. Given rectangle ABCD. Given rectangle ABCD and PQRS are midpoints of AB, BC, CD, and AB. Okay. P is a midpoint of AB, Q is a midpoint of BC, R is a midpoint of D, CD, and S is a midpoint of AD. Okay. Proof. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, P and Q are the midpoints, right? P and Q are the midpoints of AB and which one? BC. So P and Q are midpoints of AB and BC. Therefore, PQ parallel to, since the midpoint theorem, PQ parallel to AC. PQ parallel to AC and PQ equal to half of AC. Not only PQ is parallel to AC, it will be half of AC. Again, in triangle ACD, S and R are midpoints of what? AD and CD. S is a midpoint of AD, R is a midpoint of CD. Therefore, which one? RS is parallel to AC and RS equal to half of AC. That's the midpoint here, right? Okay. Now, so RS and PQ are equal. That's what we have to prove. We already proved. Our question is PQR is a rhombus. Rhombus means all the sides are equal. PQ equal to QR, QR equal to RS, RS equal to PS. We have everything is equal. We have to prove. So far we have proved only 2. We have proved. Okay. Now comes S is a midpoint of AD, right? S is a midpoint of AD. That means AS. Okay. BC equal to AD. BC and AD are equal. Why? Opposite sides of the opposites of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal, so BC and AD are equal. But S and Q are the midpoints, right? S is the midpoints of AD, Q is the midpoint of which one? BC already we have proved. S and Q are the midpoints of AD and CD. AD and okay. So S and Q are the midpoints of which one? S and Q are midpoints which one? AD and BC. S and Q are the midpoint of AD, that means AS equal to BQ, right? AS and BQ will be equal. Okay, now comes in triangle APS. APS is one triangle and triangle BPQ. These two triangles. Okay, this is 90. All the angles are common. Since it's a right triangle, rectangle. Since it's a rectangle, all the angles are going equal. Okay, now come A is equal to BQ. BQ proved above. A is equal to BQ proved above. AP equal to BP. AP equal to or before that, and A equal angle B. Each common both angles are common because it's the angles of the rectangles, right? Okay. Now AP equal BP. Why? P is a midpoint of AB. P is a midpoint of AB, that means AP and BP will be equal. So these two sides are equal, these two angles are equal, and these two sides are equal. So side angle, side congruence, right? So and triangle APS congruent to triangle BPQ. In what sense? Side angle, side congruence. If so, AS and BQ will be equal. AS equal to BQ. AS and BQ will be equal. Already we have proved that BQ and DS are equal, right? BQ and SR is equal, we already proved. BQ is equal to SR, we already proved from 1 and 2. This is what? 2, right? So let's say 3. From 1, 2 and 3. One is telling PQ and AC. PQ and AC, which one? PQ equal to half of AC. 2 is telling RS equal to half of AC. RS equal to half of AC. So now, so these two are equal. Now 3 is telling AS and BQ equal. What AS? Not AS. Which one? SP. SP equal to BP. Sorry. SP equal to BP. CP. Okay? Okay. So from 1 to 3, these two are equal and these two are equal, all are equal, right? Therefore, which one? PQ equal QP, QR equal RS equal which one? SP. Therefore, PQ or S is a which one? Rhombus. Okay, children, listen once again. BP is half of AC, RS is half of AC, that means BP and RS is equal. Clear? Again, these two triangles are congruent. Which one? SAP and PBQ are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, SP and BP SP and what BP? BQ. BQ. SP and PQ. These two are equal by CPCT. Already these two sides are equal. Now these two sides are equal. Understood? That means all the sides are which one? Equal. Okay. So if you want, you can again lengthen. You have to put this one also, but that should be too lengthy. So this much enough. You copy down all of you. Next time I will come with another videos. Till then, see you.